Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today I am making part 3 video of this Netzwerk A1 series. So guys, this is the book which I am following. So if you don't have this book, then link is in description box. Please go and buy this book, and if you want the PDF of this book, then you can WhatsApp on my number. My WhatsApp number is also in the link. So guys, as you all know, and have you seen the topic 1 and topic 2 video? If you haven't watched it, then link is in description below. Go and watch it. And guys, another thing, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go and subscribe, and don't forget to share it to everyone. Thank you so much for that. And guys, today's topic is greetings. So without wasting time, let's begin. So guys, first of all, when we are greeting somebody, we just have to say hello. Hello, how are you? So hello is known as hello. Hello. The next question we ask to somebody is, how are you? Frage is a question. You can say question. So frage. So how are you? And the one how are you phrase we can ask in the 3 ways. One is the basic, one is F. F means formal and IF means informal. So we are having 3 forms to question 1. So we gets is a basic one which we can normally say in a basic conversation. The another one is which is the formal one, which is normally asked when you are in an office or when you are meeting some colleagues or somebody else. So this is a formal one which we can pronounce as we get S ihnen. We get S ihnen. The informal part of this is we get S there. We get S there. So now we have to answer this question also. So answer is known as and vote. And vote. So I have written 4 types of the answer, but there are so many answers which you can give according to yourself, but these are the 4 common ones which I have written. So the first is which we normally say to everyone, that is how are you? Yeah, how are you? So we say I am fine, which means es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Another one is I am so I'm not feeling well, or I am doing okay. So we only say es geht. Es geht mir gut is I am fine or I am good. If you have to say I am so I am not very good, not a good day, so you just say es geht. If you are saying that I am not doing well, then you can say es geht mir schlecht. Es geht mir schlecht. If you have to say I am doing better, so you can say es geht mir besser. Es geht mir besser. Fine? Is that clear? So now let me teach you more. So guys, let's go forward. Then I have written excuse me. Excuse me we can say again in the formal and the informal way. The formal way is Entschuldigung. This is the informal way. Entschuldigung. The another one is Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. This is the formal one. Next is pardon me. Pardon me, you will be saying wie bitte. Wie bitte. Yeah? If we have to say please, for please we are using bitte, and bitte is used 1, 2, 3 thrice. So it's drei. Yeah, 3 is drei. So we have used 3rd time. So that's why I have written that bitte means please. Yeah? Next, the very important and the very basic and very useful word, which is thank you. German people normally use thank you word. So yeah, thank you will be danke. Danke is the short form of thank you, but the normally whole word is danke schön. Danke schön, but we normally say danke. Danke will work. Yeah? So danke. When you are saying that how are you, we are asking wie geht's. So the another person will be answering danke, ich bin sehr gut, ich bin gut, ich bin so, and you can write, you can give any answer. The next one is I am sorry, which we Indians love to say. So I am sorry. Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid. I'm sorry is es tut mir leid. Then another word is really. Really, as W is pronounced as V, that we have learned in the first video of topic 1, which is German alphabets. So it will be pronounced as wirklich. Wirklich. Yeah? So let's go forward. Gladly. Gladly means gerne. Gladly means gerne. Next is nice to meet you is sehr erfreut. Sehr erfreut. Next is take care, which we normally say. So take care, mach's gut. Mach's gut. Next is bye. Bye we can say in 3 types. One is normal. Tschüss, tschüss, tschüss. The another one is auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. The another one which we use this in phone calls. So it is auf Wiederhören. I will listen you again. Yeah, bye. So it's auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Next is see you soon, which means bis bald. Bis bald. See you later is bis später. Bis später. So I hope this is clear. Let's go to the next part. So guys, these are some more greetings. So let's start with this. Good morning is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. In German, there is no particular word for good afternoon. They just say Guten Tag or have a good day. They also use Guten Tag or Gruß Gott. So the very famous word is this Guten Tag. Good evening is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Good night is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. So it is Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht. Yeah? I hope it is clear to you. The again is ja. Ja is yes. No is nein. Nein. Yeah, nein. Maybe is vielleicht, as we sound as fur, so it is vielleicht. What do you mean by it? Vielleicht. Today is heute. Heute. Tomorrow is morgen. Now you will be asking that this morgen and this morgen is same. Yes? That's why I always suggest my students, and I am suggesting to you also, that guys, don't ever convert German phrases. These are some phrases you don't convert these phrases into English, because the meaning of the particular word is different by the phrases. So, and Google don't know that you are using, you are learning level or A2 level. He will be telling to the professional level. So that will create a problem for you in future. Yeah. So tomorrow is morgen. Yesterday is gestern. Yesterday is gestern. Day before yesterday is vorgestern. V is for. That's why I'm pronouncing vorgestern. Fine. So guys, these were the greetings video for you. I hope you have learned so much in this video, and you have seen topic 1 and topic 2 also. Guys, stay tuned with German Gyan, and I assure you, when I will be completing with this series, you will be able to give the A1 exams and you will be getting the good marks. So stay tuned with German Gyan and subscribe to my channel, share my video, and be always ready with the videos, upcoming videos, which will be coming on Tuesday and Saturday at 12 PM. So all the best, and thank you so much guys. Love you all. Bye bye.